Hey guys, Miller Marine here. Got my little assistant today. Lily, say hi. Hey, say hi to the camera. Yeah. Little recap on some of the things we got going on in the shop this week. Finally got this Suzuki running. Turned out to be in fuel pump, filters, and a regulator that was acting up on it. So we're getting this thing back together. Hopefully it'll be out between today and tomorrow. Got this one in for a full rewire, waiting on parts. Had a little fuel tank issue on it, but we got that straightened out before we continued anything major on it. Got this one in for our new GPS install. Got it in the dash already. Just got to fire her up and calibrate her and make sure everything works. We put the new transducer on. Got the new deucer on there, all sealed up. For a couple little things, we're going to pull the cable steering out of it and replace it with hydraulic. And we're going to do a couple little things. They've got some issues here with the power pole spraying, so we're going to pull the power pole off, have the holes filled and epoxied in glass, and then move the pole all the way up so it's out of the water while it's running. And then he had a little speedo thing that doesn't work anymore because it's all internal in the motor, so we pulled that. Gonna fill the holes and have that repainted. For a shift shaft, wasn't shifting in and out of gear properly. We found out that the shift shaft down below where it hooks the lower unit, the little weld broke and it was slightly going in and out of adjustment. So this will be a pretty good one. We'll get some more footage for you on this one while we start digging into it. This one's in for a little running issue, and also trim tabs are not working. We got this one in for a full service. Found that we had a little water in the gear case, so we'll reseal the lower, do a water pump while we have it out, and then full service plugs, filters, oil, all that good stuff. And then we just got his trolling motor back as well out from repair. So we got the Andro still here. We're just wrapping it up, having it fully detailed for the customer. Did a full service on the motors. Got electrical issues straightened out. We're waiting on a couple more little parts on it. We got to do some stuff with the trim tabs. The box for the Lenkos went out, so we're going to replace that. And then we got all the batteries straightened out, clean all the wiring up. We'll have a few more posts on that. I'll get some pictures up on what it looks like inside. We moved the amps around, cut a wall out to give us more access and make it more user friendly. So